Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can run .exe files right on your Android device. Yep, those Windows programs, you can actually open them on your phone. So before we start, just a quick note, not every exe file will work perfectly on Android, especially heavy apps or games. But for many simple Windows programs, there's a way to run them. So in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest method using an app called WinLater. It's free, safe, and works surprisingly well. So first, you need to download the WinLater. It's not on Play Store, so you'll need to download the APK from the official GitHub page. So you can just open your browser and then search for WinLater GitHub. Okay, open the GitHub here. Now you can just download the APK, install it, and first you need to enable the install unknown apps if needed. And once the WinLater is installed, you can just open it up and it will create a container. You can just choose a performance preset, whether it's low, medium, or high, and keep the default setting if you're not sure. And after that, you can just tap on start, and now you are basically running a light version of Windows on your Android device. After that, you can just copy your exe file into the WinLater or downloads folder, and you can do this using your file manager. And after that, inside a WinLater, you can open the file manager, browse the folder, and then tap the exe file, then just hit on run. And just like that, WinLater will try to launch your Windows program on Android. And you can just give it a moment, and if the app is compatible, it will open. And if it doesn't work, you can try changing the container performance settings or try a different exe version. And that's it. So that's how you can easily run exe files on your Android device using WinLater. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.